Well, we went pot shopping today. Yeah. Anyways, why did we go pot shopping?
I have a client who wants to repurpose one of her garden beds. She wants to change it from in-ground planting to a hard surface with pot groupings on it and plant only in the pots. We're just in the design phase. I've just finished the sort of the base map of the place, but I'd like her to have a look at the different options available. I mean, there's concrete, there's fiberglass, there's ceramic, there's different shapes, sizes, finishes, everything. Wide variety, never too early to give the client something to look at. So yeah, we had a field trip. We went up to two of my favorite places, which just happen to be right next door to each other. One is the old Farm Garden Center. This is just this side of Duncan, right off Trans-Canada Highway. And then right across the street from that, another of my favorites is Garden Stone. If you're up in that area, by all means, go check them both out.
Yeah.
They're both just awesome places. Garden Stone has lots of different things in terms of statuary, water features, and so on, while the garden center is more of a traditional garden center, but always with a stunning variety array of pottery.
And really cool, like you said, the different statues and things. Like we saw some dragons and
Oh, yeah.
faces and
Yeah, you know, even if and hey, Christmas is coming, people want to know what to get you for Christmas.
So what was your favorite selection of pots? Like, did you find one at one place or what? Or what?
What I'm going to do is present the client with a collection of photographs and then talk to her to see if she's got anything in mind, and find out whether she wants to go with a single color scheme or grayscale, whether she wants to have perhaps different size pots of the same finish. The list goes on and on. I find this is a good starting point to get the client thinking about what her options are. I can give her a few ideas about maybe what she can do in terms of accents, that sort of thing. And plus, it's just fun, you know. It's at the point where the yard's ripped up, not much to look at. It's nice to be able to sort of give them a taste of the finished product.
Mm-hmm. And what do you typically plant in pots?
Oh, there's all kinds of things. I mean, it's somewhat size dependent, of course. Hers is a very, very shady situation. Despite being south facing, very heavily treed. So we're going to have to go with shade tolerant plants, obviously. There are a number available. Because these are going to be flanking the front door, I'm going to see if she might be interested in something that can provide some scent as well. There's lots of varieties, and you'll just have to stay tuned to find out what those might be.
All right. Well, I hope you enjoy looking at the photographs and seeing all the different pots. And we found a really cool table there. I really want that table.
Yeah, don't go by the table.
No.
We want it.
We want it for happy
ours.
hour. It raises up and
Yeah,
down.
it's an old ironworks looking crank table,
cool.
where it'll raise and lower. Yeah.
Yeah, it's ours.
Yeah, it's a neat place. You know, even if you're not really in the market, go check it out anyway. You won't be sorry.
All right.
And then next door sells ice cream, so you know, win-win.
And then you can stop at a winery on your way back.
or two, or
Yeah.
no comment.
All right. Thanks.